All right, I'm still in the leather shop. I got it trimmed out on the inside and the outside. I got it caulked on the outside. I am going to paint it just because I have paint. I have a brush and it's like 10 feet away. In the meantime, I traded a cross-slide vise for a 3 foot by 3 foot, 1.25 inch piece of granite. And now, right here in the middle of my leather shop, I'm going to make a 3 foot by 3 foot square table, and that's what I'm going to do all my leather stamping and cutting on. Coming together, y'all. I'm almost done. I've almost got it set up exactly like I want it. And I'm fixing to sweep up in here, clean up, and probably tomorrow paint that because I got to let that caulking dry. Oh, what a difference it is. I mean, when you go from this room out that door, it is like an oven just outside that door. I'm really happy with that little thing is working great. Well, there it is, all trimmed out and no, Breezy. No, I'm getting right up. Just a minute. I'm getting up and going out and painting the other side. All trimmed up and painted, and yeah, right up there, I had a brush faux pas. I hate painting. I used to love painting, but somewhere over the years, I lost my patience for painting. And now I just slap it on there as quick as I can to get it over with. But in my youth, I think the difference is in my youth, I used to partake of a certain herb that made mundane tasks a little easier to endure or enjoy. Anyway, that's what we look like on the inside of the leather shop. The AC is kicking butt on some heat. I don't have it on right now because it's only in the low 80s outside and it's still pretty cool in here. All right, I'm gonna go outside, paint that. I'll show you what that looks like, and that will be the end of the leather shop saga. Except I gotta build a table here to put my 3 foot by 3 foot, not quartz, not marble. Good God, I keep forgetting the name of that stuff. I'll think of it in a minute. Granite, damn it, granite. I'm gonna write that down. Why can't I remember that name? For days now, I've had trouble remembering this stuff is called granite. I even told myself, well, the way I'm gonna remember it is because Mack, the Mack truck company, has a truck out, or did, called Granite. And it was a totally redesigned Mack truck, and it was, you know, kind of they took the really ugly old Macks and redesigned them, made them more aerodynamic, and the first one was called Granite. And why can't I remember that word? Okay, let's go outside. I thought I'd show you before and then after. There we go. Yeah, that was me. Probably gonna cut that down. Hello, Billy. All right, that's the end of this. This barrel has been outside my garage since I bought it. I did not know what was in it. So I stuck a stick down there and it looked like water, smelled like water. There's no lid on it. So I didn't want to go dumping oil on the ground. You know, I had an oil drum behind my garage that I used to dump my old oil in. Anyway, I started drilling holes, and I'm going to continue drilling holes to the whenever I get to oil. If there's oil in there, I'll plug it up and tilt it back and away from the hole, and I'll handle the oil the way you're supposed to. But I got to get this out of here. One of the last few bits of junk that I've had to deal with. I've had acid over here. I've had antifreeze out here. There's been paint out here. And just out here where any animal could, or a kid could come along and get into it. Acid, man. He had acid sitting out here in jugs. Well, it might be all water. I'm getting down about I'm about 10 inches from the bottom now. So I'll let let it leak down to the bottom one, and when that stops, I'll drill another one a couple inches below that, and I'm thinking I might be just water. That'd be nice if I could just throw this away. Well, there's the drum, empty, and I got this side kind of cleaned up and organized. It won't be long, I'll be inside this thing making me a shop.
I can ride my mini bike down through here.
You sure can. Yep. Yep.
I better not, though.
Why not? You could ride down there. Okay. Let's go to the house.